Here we come to the elevator at Ross Sushi Bar, Highland Village in Houston, Texas. There is music playing loudly, so I have no other choice than to talk and 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 talk over it to avoid copyright. But anyways, this is an updated take on this elevator as well. I remember recording this with YouTube user TT and GIDOC back in 2012, but unfortunately I had to remove the video because he doesn't want to be on camera and not into elevators anymore. And he also closed his channel as well. Anyways, here it is. All right, let's go to 2. All right, let's close the door quick before I get copyrighted. Let's go on to 1. All right, let's close the door quick. All right, hurry up. I don't want to count. I remember this elevator was low and oil that one time. Oh, the music is, the music is off now. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.